What we have here is a working wooden model of an automated cardiopulmonary resuscitation device that we have designed. Here we have a rotary disc that is being propelled using mechanical force that I apply. But in the final design, we propose to have motor which propels this rotary disc. The specifications of the motor will be very important since we need to have compressions of only 2 inches deep and at the same time ensure that they are at 100 compressions per minute. Since we have two projections on this rotary disc, it will ensure giving 2 compressions every 1 rotation. So if we have a motor of 50 rpm, we can ensure that we are getting a compression rate of 100 compressions per minute. In the final model, we also propose to have a feasibility study of various materials that can be used to replace the wood that we have used here. These can include PVC, plastic or acrylic. Apart from that, this rectangular rod can be converted into a cylindrical rod which adds stability to the model, and also include a cushion here which will come in direct contact with the patient. We will have vertically adjustable rods at the side of the panel which can be folded for easy portability, ensure that the battery that drives the motor is also light and portable, have microcontroller support for the motor because we need to stop after every 30 compressions to check for pulse and resumption of breath. Apart from that, we also need to have ball bearings or guiding rails at the side of the rod to restrict any horizontal deviation of the vertical motion of the rod. This will ensure that we come up with a device that is not only portable but also safe from the point of view of patient safety, since we are dealing with patient's life.